Plastics are an amazing resource and technology due to their flexibility and, let's face it, extremely low price. With that success also comes headwind, problems. I'm somebody who looks on the bright side and am optimistic about the future. We are speaking to Matthias Egerter. He is the CEO of Lindner, quite an old company, a traditional company out of Austria. Huge display behind you. What are we looking at?
Well, we are revealing a lot of technologies at this trade fair. On the one hand, we are exhibiting a lot of examples for process efficiency along the value chain together with our partner RIMA. We are showing our new Micromat Series 4, which is the industry standard in shredding for plastics. And last but not least, we are very proud to unreveal a new technology together with Procter & Gamble, which is a solvent-based technology for the cleaning of plastics, which brings this plastics recycling to a completely new level.
Now, what's the new parts of these process that you're showing at K 2025?
Along this process, we are, as said, showing our new Micromat Series 4, which is a, let's say, industry standard with more than 1,000 machines out in the field. This machine is even more energy efficient, needs less maintenance, and this has lower running costs to help our customers succeed and improve their business results.
Mm-hmm. Now, as I said, as I was introducing you, the plastic's an amazing opportunity. It also has headwind with just the volume of waste produced. Where do you see your company fitting into the value chain going into the future and helping your customers?
Well, according to our vision, we bring the technology to our customers that then at the end of the day make the circular economy a reality. And I think there's two levers that we need to work on. One is we even need to further improve quality of plastics recycling in terms of the material quality. And second is we need to further strive for optimizing the operating costs, which is what we try to do every day by showing these innovations.
Matthias of Lindner, thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks. Have a nice day. See you.
So there it is, right from the boss's voice. The important aspect of using the highest technology, the newest innovations in the field of reprocessing and repurposing, reusing plastics raw materials. It's important now. Into the future, it's going to be ever more important as just the volumes involved in this great technology continue to increase. Thorsten Kuhmann.
Hi.
Hi. Thank you for joining us at K 2025, finding the time. VDMA has chosen to display here in the middle point of K 2025 in this area of sustainability.
Right.
What helped you make that decision?
Well, the main topic of K 2025 is the power of plastics, green, smart, responsible. And we wanted to have it right in the center of the attention. That's why we're in the middle of the K.
Mm-hmm. And what does your company, your organization bring to this process? What's the value you can offer your customers?
The value is that we are the technology suppliers. Our association is the Association of the Machine Manufacturers. So they come together and they are the enablers for all this, for recycling, for circular economy, for digitalization, for artificial intelligence. So all this has to come together. And this is like a magnifying glass here. And we showcase the power of plastics right to the heart.
In addition to showing their offerings and their abilities, how do you support them within the industry?
We support them by giving them the space for pitches. So we will have a full load of pitches right to the green, smart and responsible technology. And by the way, we have a display with end products which are green, smart and responsible. So it's a kind of a display and a pitch area where you can come together, communicate, see, talk and have all the community together.
Thorsten Kuhmann, thank you for joining us and thank you for the work you do representing the machine industry.
Yes, thank you very much.
So moving on here, we do have a final representative we want to speak with. They are representing Vecoplan, a company traditionally well known as an industry leader within the shredding process of recycling, plastic reuse. They are at this show presenting an addition to their abilities, and we're going to find out more by speaking to Stefan Stehle. He is an engineer with the company. Stefan, great stand here, very impressive machinery. Let's go on inside and take a look.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning.
This is obviously a massive shredder. What sets it apart from other offerings in industry?
Yeah, my name is Stefan Stehler. I'm a senior application engineer from the company Vecoplan. This type of shredding machine is one of our main products, and it's only an example of what we can produce. We have a real wide range of machinery. It starts with shredding technology, but also feeding technology, storaging systems, and new in the market for Vecoplan, dry cleaning and wet cleaning technology.
Now, bringing a machine like this here, obviously a lot of cost, just simply getting it here, a lot of logistics involved. Why was it important for you to bring it here, and what are you displaying? What makes it different?
Yeah, we are mainly focused on our drive system at this machine. Here we see an installed synchronous motor. We call it high torque drive because it's a real strong system. The system is direct flanged on the axle. We have no gear, no coupling system necessary, and in combination with a frequency converter, this system is able to stop in a second, to start again for shredding of strong material. That's his main focus. We have other systems too, yes, but what we're demonstrating here is to shred big bag because it's a real strong textile, and it could be in other systems maybe plastic filled with glass fibers or other things.
I mentioned on my way over here that your company is also within innovation, really has a broad portfolio nowadays. What else are you showing here at the show?
We're also showing our competition in our engineering processes for total plants. It can start with sorting processes and with a cleaning process after shredding systems. And I would like to demonstrate it in a short video sequence. What we see here is a dry cleaning system where the material comes in after shredding process, and therefore we do not need any water system at the beginning. It could be behind, but for example, for chemical or physical recycling, it's enough to feed out dirty material on the surface of plastic particles.
Let's give it a shot. Let's see how it looks.
You see that the material comes in, and we have a rotating system. Pedals are mounted on a rotor, and it's a mix of friction and separating of dirty material. And after that, we have clean material. We can see it here. This is after washing, it's real clean, and the middle step could be that. This is only dry cleaned, and the start was there. Real dirt material, plastic film, and for some of the recycling industries, it's enough in the quality, or it can be a step between shredding and wet cleaning. That's the main focus.
Excellent, great example. Anybody coming in here into this area of the show can see perfectly what you're offering. You have another stand at the show, correct?
In hall number 9, we have a machinery of such a dry cleaning system, and I would like to invite to come in. We would be able to explain more about our technology and spoke about projects. That would be fine. Thank you.
Stefan Stehler of Vecoplan, thank you for finding the time to speak with us today.
Thank you too. Bye.
And there it is from this area of innovation, of recycling and reuse, shredding, sorting, washing, drying at K 2025. Thanks for joining us.